Hello guys, this video is for my subscribers who asked me to share them my journal. So I tried to do that, but because I'm not a pro member, the one I shared to the web so that I can share to you guys does not have full permission, so you cannot edit it. So I've come up with this solution to create a video showing you guys how to create the type of journal that I use. So this video is going to be like a gift from me to you for supporting my channel. What I'm going to do is to go to my Notion and show you guys how to create a simple journal so that you can use that to log in your trading in this 2026. So looking at the screen, you can see that this is a home screen of my own Notion. So to start off with this template, what we're going to do is go to your private or any other place, maybe TeamSpace or private. Once you come here, look at, hover around the private, you will see this plus sign. Just click it and you will get this new page. So what you are going to do is to give it a name. Let's say FX Journal 2026. Okay, that's good. So let's give it an icon. So you just go up there and take an icon. Let's give it this target icon. Then let us give it a cover. So go to add cover, click that. Then you can select any cover from here, change cover. You can select any cover. So let's use this red. I've clicked that already, so it's going to pop out later. So after that, what we want to do again is to come to this downside, then click, you can see right press space for AI or / for command. So we are going to add / there. When we do that, we are going to write table. Then we have table view database. Then click that. We want table view database. So what we will do is to give this database a name. So we'll say table journal 2026, something like that. Then we can close this side to start building. So this is where we are now. So here, what we can do is this first part, we can call it pair, just like that, because here what we'll do is to add our pair here. Let's say GBP/USD. Then let us add another property. Then click add property. For this one, we'll add date so that we can select our date. So we can rename the date. Let's say date in. The date will take the trade. So what we'll do is that if you want to add date, just click date, then you can select date and the date will appear. That is it. The date will appear. Then we can add another property. Let's say entry time frame. Entry TF. What we are going to do is let us use select. So we'll use select for this one. After we use select, then we'll go ahead and put the time frames that we use to execute our strategy. Let's say you use 4H. Then click enter to register it. Then go in again and click 1H, then enter. You can go in again and click 15M, then enter. So if you want to add the entry time frame, you can see that we have 3 already, so you can choose any one of them here. You can see you can choose any one of them here. So you can use this to adjust the column. Then let us add another one here. Let us say confluence. Okay, sorry. Confluence. Oh, add it. Let's say confluence. Confluence we use select. So we add it. We just go and change the name to confluence. Confluence. We have already selected select, so it's going to be a select property. So what we can do is to use the same method that we use for entry time frame. Let's say fair value gap, enter to register it. Let's say OB for order block, enter to register it. Let's say MTB for mitigation block, register it. Let's say RJB for rejection block. Then we can use BB for breaker block. You can see that we have added our confluences or PD arrays here. You can choose any one of them to use it. So you can also do this to reduce the space. Then let us add another one. Let's add date out. Date out, we'll also use date for that. So the date that you close the trade, you can use that. You can say 21, for instance. So you can also reduce the space. Then you can do percentage in profit. For percentage in profit, we are going to use number. So use number, then you go back there, then edit property. Once you come to edit property, change the number to percent. You see, percent. So when we add like 2, we reach 2%. When we enter it to convert it to percent, you can see that easy peasy. So after that, what you want to do again is to add, maybe you can say rating. You want to rate the trade. Rating, you can say number again. Then you can go back to property, then choose rank. Sorry. Then choose, sorry. What is going on? Choose rank. So rank, when we choose rank, what we're going to do is we are going to divide by 10. If you want to rate the trade, you can choose divide by 10. Then you click away. So what we're going to do is when we put 9, enter. Can you see that? Let's change it. Let's say 7. Can you see? Let's say 5. Can you see? So the ring will indicate the level for us. So we can go ahead and reduce this thing also. So what we can do again is to put maybe outcome. I'm just giving you the idea so you know what you want to add in your own journal. So you go ahead and use this same format that I'm using, this select type, to also add them. So the next thing we want to add is outcome of the trade. So for outcome, we are going to use select also. So for select, we'll go ahead and change the name to outcome. So then for outcome, then we'll leave it like that. Then we'll go and we'll start to put the outcome win for first one. Okay, that has registered. We can say loss. Then we can say break even, which are the 3 outcomes we'll have in a trade. So for this now, we can go ahead and, so the BE did not register. BE, okay. So we'll go ahead and change the colors of this outcome. So the first one is win. Win will always give it green. So we'll go ahead. For loss, we'll give it red. Then for BE, which is neutral, we'll give it gray. So you can see that. win will be green. That is it. So let's just say for the final one we can use text. This is where we are going to write our notes. So notes. So you can write your notes here. Okay, now we are done with this one. So you can see that because this note is very long, you can see that it extends this our table. So for us to stop this thing, what we can do is to click on the note, then come to unwrap content. Then you can see that the thing has just adjusted. So you can go ahead and do the same for all of these columns. Go and do unwrap content, so that when you have all those large this thing, you can just put them there. Okay, one more thing that we need to do. One thing we need to do is to create where we'll put our picture. So let's do that quickly. So for this one, we are going to use files and media. So use files and media for that. Then change it to chart picture. Change it to chart picture, then come back. I want to change this. Let me move it to this place. Okay. So for chart picture, once we click our chart picture, it will ask us to upload our picture. So choose files, then go and upload. So you can see that we have successfully completed this journal. So you can add pages if you like. So this one, let me do unwrap content. Okay, that is it. So now let me show you how to do the conditional color that you see on my journal. So for that, click on this settings icon here. Click on it. Then you scroll down, you see conditional color. We'll choose conditional color. It will ask us to add new color. Add new color settings. Then the parameter we are going to use is outcome. So click on outcome. The outcome has been added. So now what will happen is whatever color you choose from your outcome is going to be the color that is going to be indicated on the row. So for this second row, let me say we lost the trade. So you can see it is red. The third row was a break even. You can see it is gray. So this is what you have. A very good looking and simple journal. So now let me show you how we can turn this journal into calendar view, so that you see it will appear as calendar when you want to just view from the calendar side. So for that, come to this table journal 2026. Come to the right side, you will see this add a new view. Then click that, it will open. Then go and select calendar. After that, the calendar is here. We can just name it calendar view. You can see calendar view. So what we can do again is calendar view. We can click these three icons here. The one I use is this mono. The font is mono. Then we can do small text, full width. You want to do full width so that the thing will look good. So after that, you can see everything is here already. So you can view this. We can view this. The same thing we have on the table view is going to be here, but we need to do some settings so that we can actually see everything from a glance. So to do that, what we want to do is to come to these settings again. Then property visibility, click it. If you look at show in calendar, you can see that we only have one, which is pair. So we want to add percentage in profit. After that, we want to add entry time frame. After that, we want to add rating, and we want to add outcome. So you can go ahead and choose the one you like. So but for me, This is just to show you what to get. So you see we have the pair, the percentage we risk, the time frame, the rating of the trade that we took, and the outcome. So now what we'll do again is to add the same conditional color to this, so that we'll get from a glance the outcome of the trade. So for that, let's go back to the settings here, then go to conditional color, then new color settings. So what we'll do is to choose from outcome again. Once we choose that, you can see it has been added. So we'll go back to our calendar. Voila, you can see that we have it as win. So let us do another one and put what? Let's put red there. So we're just going to go to outcome straight up. Then we are going to choose this one. So you can see that it was a losing trade. So let's use another one and put break even, so that you understand how this thing works. So break even. So you can see, guys, this is looking beautiful and amazing. So this is my gift to you. The only way to pay me back is to make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video to other forex traders to also create their own journal. So make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, and see you later.